Hello students, this is the continuation of that compound angle, multiple angles and submultiple angles. Now we will see, using that concept, we derive some more angles. Today, that theta is equal to 22.5 degrees. This we are going to apply for all trigonometric ratios. First one, sine 22.5 degree is equal to, so to apply this formula we should remember formula. What is that formula? Cos 2 theta in terms of sine, that is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So now in this I am going to write sine theta as a subject. So what we get here? 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 under root. Okay. Now same formula I am going to apply here. Sine in terms of cos 2 theta I am going to write. So that double of 22.5 degrees we will get 45 degrees. That's why I am taking this formula. So 1 minus cos 2 theta. 2 into theta means here 22.5 degrees. 22.5 degrees divided by 2. Any doubt here? So next, so this one becomes 1 minus cos 45 degrees divided by 2. What is cos 45 degrees value? 1 by root 2. Substitute here and then simplify. So 1 minus 1 by root 2 by 2. So that means here if we cross multiply, root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 under root. Okay. This is the sine 22.5 degree formula. So root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So if you want further simplify, numerator and denominator we have to multiply with root 2. Root 2 into root 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 2 root 2. Numerator and denominator we are going to multiply with root 2. Both will cancel, same thing you will get. So now root 2 into root 2, 2 will get, minus root 2 into 1, root 2 will get, divided by root 2 into root 2, 2 will get. Here already we have 2, 2 into 2. Total comes under root. So this one becomes 4. So root of 2 minus root 2 of root 4. Root 4 value 2 comes. So root 4 value is 2. So therefore sine 22.5 degree value. What is sine 22.5 degree value? Root 2 under 2 minus root 2 divided by 2. This is the sine 22.5 degree value. So sine 22.5 degree value. Sine 22.5 degrees. Okay, that is equal to under root 2 minus root 2 by 2. Copy it out. Copy it out. Next, cos 22.5 degrees we will see. Cos 22.5 degrees. Cos 22.5 degree also we use cos 2 theta formula. Cos 2 theta formula. Cos 22.5 degrees. Here in terms of cos we write 2 cos square theta minus 1. So then cos theta is equal to under root of 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta. So carefully observe, cos 2 theta is equal to, that we are going to write in terms of cos theta. That is cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. If you write cos theta as a subject, under root 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, same thing as substituted. Under root 1 plus cos 2 into theta 22.5 degrees by 2. So now simplify it. Cos 22 into 2, 22.5 into 2, 45 degrees by 2. Next, 1 plus cos 45 degrees, 1 by root 2. Okay, simplify it. Root 2 into 1, root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Again, numerator and denominator we have to multiply with root 2. Numerator and denominator we have to multiply with root 2. So root 2 into 2 root 2. Total under root. Okay, clear? So now what do you get here? Root 2 into root 2, 2 it becomes. Next, root 2 into 1, root 2 only. Here root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. So separately I am writing root for these two. So that means 2 plus root 2 under root divided by root 4 value 2. Therefore, cos 22.5 degrees. Cos 22.5 degrees. Value is equal to 2 plus root 2 divided by 2. 2 plus root 2 comes under root. Okay. This is cos 22.5 degrees. Next, tan we will see. Cos 22.5 degrees is equal to 2 plus root 2 under root divided by 2. Okay. Next, tan 22.5 degrees we will see. For tan, it is very simple. That tan can be written as sin by cos sin 22.5 degrees divided by cos 22.5 degrees. So simply we will get the result. So now see and apply for tan and convert the tan into sin and cos. Third one, tan 22.5 degrees. Tan can be written as sin by cos. Sin 22.5 degrees by cos 22.5 degrees. This is sin 22.5 degrees already we just now we find that value. That one we are going to substitute here. 2 minus root 2 whole root by 2 under root 2 plus root 2 by 2 cos 22.5 degree value. So here root 2 to cancel. 2 gets cancelled. What left behind here? 2 minus root 2 under root of 2 plus root 2. Okay. Now what we have to do? To rationalize the denominator, first what we have to do here? So first you have to multiply numerator and denominator by root 2 plus root 2. Root 2 of 2 plus root 2. It will cancel the root. So numerator and denominator I am going to multiply with under root 2 plus root 2. Under root 2 plus root 2 which cancels the root for this one. So that will give this one under root a plus b into a minus b. This one become a square minus under root whole square divided by this one 2 plus root 2 whole square under root. Square root gets cancelled. There what we get here? 4 minus 2 under root divided by 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. Now rationalize the denominator. To rationalize the denominator, numerator and denominator I am going to multiply with a rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 2. That is, rationalizing factor is 2 minus root 2. multiply numerator and denominator with 2 minus root 2. So what will you get here? 4 minus 2 means this will become root 2 into 2 minus root 2 divided by a plus b into a minus b. So that is a square minus b square. Root 2 square gets cancelled. Now what left behind? Root 2, this root 2 multiply inside, that is 2 into root 2 minus root 2 into root 2, 2 it becomes, divided by 4 minus 2. From numerator we can take out 2 common, here 2 having no, take out 2. So that will become root 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 2, 2. So here 2 gets cancelled. So what left behind? Root 2 minus 1. Tan 22.5 degrees is root 2 minus 1 comes. So therefore result tan 22.5 degrees is equal to root 2 minus 1. Okay? Tan 22.5 degrees root 2 minus 1. Clear? Note, copy it. Next, we go for cot. Cot 22.5 degrees. I am going to drop this one. For cot, reciprocal of tan, or we can use cos by sin. So reciprocal of tan also it is. So whatever it may be, both will get similar answer. So tan also over now. Next fourth one, cot 22.5 degrees. 22.5 degree. That it is a reciprocal of tan now. Cot is 1 by tan. So 1 by tan 22.5 degrees. Tan 22.5 degrees already we know that we already find that value, root 2 minus 1. Now rationalize the denominator. Rationalizing factor of denominator. Rationalizing factor of denominator. So that is root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1 is the rationalizing factor of denominator. So numerator and denominator you have to multiply with root 2 plus 1. So numerator becomes root 2 plus 1. This one a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. Root 2 plus 1. A square means root square gets cancelled. 2 minus 1. That is root 2 plus 1 divided by 1. So cot 22.5 degrees. What is the final answer? Cot 22.5 degrees is equal to root 2 plus 1. Any doubt here? Note on this. Next, we will go for 90 minus 22 degrees. That is 67.5 degrees. 22.5 degrees. This half of 1 will become 0, 90 will become. So, next 67.5 degrees we will do. 67. Theta is equal to 67.5 degrees. Theta is equal to 67.5 degrees. 67.5 plus 22.5. 90 it will become. 90 it will become. First sine we will do. So you see sine 67.5 degrees. That we can write sine 90 minus 22.5 degree. 90 minus 22.5 degree what we get? 67.5 degree only we get. Okay, 7 plus 2 9. Here 8, 1 carried 90 will come. Okay. So it falls in first quadrant, all are positive. It is operating on y-axis, sine will become cos 22.5 degree. What is the cos 22.5 degree value? Under root 2 plus root 2 by 2. So that means this is equal to sine 67.5 degrees. We already know sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So this value you can write here under root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 divided by 2. This is the sine 67.5 degrees. Okay. Next, cos 67.5 degrees. Cos 67.5 degrees. This also we can write cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus 22.5 degrees. So this also falls in first quadrant. It is operating on y-axis. Cos will become sine 22.5 degrees. Here sine 22.5 degrees, what value it gives? Under root 2 minus root 2 by 2. So that we have to write here. Under root 2 minus root 2 divided by 2. So this is cos 67.5 degrees. Cos 67.5 degrees. Okay. So cos 67.5 degrees is equal to sine 22.5 degrees. Cos 67.5 degrees. Okay, clear? Any doubt? So we also got cot 22.5 degrees. Cot 22.5 degrees, what we got? Root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1. That also we have to write down it. Already we derived that one. Root 2 plus 1. Next, 7. Tan 67.5 degree. So tan 90 minus 22.5 degrees. 90 minus 22.5 degrees. So it also falls in first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. Tan will become cot 22.5 degrees. So cot 22.5 degrees already we know now. There we written cot 22.5 degrees value. Tan 67.5 degrees is equal to root 2 plus 1. This is a tan 67.5 degrees. Tan 67.5 degrees. Okay. Next, final one. Cot 67.5 degrees we will do. Cot 67.5 degrees we will do. Note down this. Cot it. Pause it and cot it. Now I will interrupt this one. So next, cot 67.5 degrees. Cot 67.5 degrees. So this also we can write 90 minus theta. If you write 90 minus theta, it is easy to solve. So cot 90 degrees minus 22.5 degrees. That will become, this falls in first quadrant. First quadrant all ratios are positive and it is operating on y-axis 90 minus theta. So ratio changes, cot to tan 22.5 degrees. Already we know tan 22.5 degrees, we also derived that value. Therefore, cot 67.5 degrees is equal to root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. This is the cot 67.5 degrees. So cot 67.5 degrees. Okay, clear? So now write down table for this one. So here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, finally cot theta. Okay. Ratios, downside, theta, angle. First 22.5 degrees, 67.5 degrees. Now substitute the values. Already we got now. What is sine 22.5 degrees? So under root 2 minus root 2 divided by 2. Next sine 67.5 degrees. So under root 2 plus root 2 by 2. Cos 22.5 degrees. Cos 22.5 degrees. Same thing you get. This one only. 2 plus root 2 whole root divided by 2. Next cos 67.5 degrees. That is equal to sine 22.5 degrees. 2 minus root 2 whole root by 2. Next tan 22.5 degrees. Root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. And root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. Next tan 67.5 degrees. It is equal to cot 22.5 degrees. Root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1. Next cot 22.5 degrees. Root 2 plus 1 only. This one only. Root 2 plus 1. Next cot 67.5 degrees. Tan, it is equal to tan 22.5 degrees. That is equal to root 2 minus 1. This one will come. Root 2 minus 1. Okay, clear? Any doubt here? If you have doubt, comment to me. I will respond. So copy it. We already solved all those things. Sine 22.5 degrees. 22.5 degrees for all sine, cos, tan, cot. And 67.5 degrees for sine, cos, tan, cot. Okay? Note. Copy it.